everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm super excited because I'm going to be unboxing the first Trendmood Box. I feel like it should have a longer name, but I guess it's just the Trendmood Box. This is the first one that Trendmood has released, and I ordered it, so let's go ahead and open it. Alright, so when you open it up, it looks like this. Nice presentation so far. Okay, and then I guess it's just a bunch of cards on the actual products that are in the box. Yeah, it looks like it. Okay, everything's actually packaged in here, super nice. Like she's got bubble wrap on things. She said nothing is breaking in this box, trust. And I can appreciate that. All right, so this box was $39 and I'm not sure of the retail value. I guess I'll figure it out as I go, maybe, I don't know. Let's just go ahead and get into it and then I'll explain why I bought it. So first up, we've got the Natasha Denona Mini Tropic Palette. I actually don't have this palette. It's really cute. The colors are really cute. Let's see, let's just swatch it. Oh, that's lackluster. Is that really how that swatches? Okay, it can be built up a little better. I'm running out of fingers. These metallics aren't the best. Okay, world's worst swatches, but maybe you get the idea. Cute enough, fun little color story. Definitely more spring, summer vibes, but I will definitely use it. It's not like it's a palette I'm jumping up and down for, but it's all right. I don't know how the reviews are on this. I don't know if people liked it. I don't know if it was well received, but it is Natasha Denona. It's always exciting, I think, to get a Natasha Denona. It's always exciting to get a Natasha Denona product in like any kind of mystery box like this because, hello, it's an expensive brand. All right, next we've got the In Beauty Project. It's the Glaze #1 Lip Oil. And this is a new brand. I don't know if they just started in 2019 or what the deal is, but I haven't heard much about them. I have heard good things about this lip oil though from Lauren May Beauty. So it looks red, which is super intimidating, but yeah, when swatched out over the hand, it's really just a true glaze. Ooh, it smells good. Ooh, it smells just like a strawberry fruit by the foot. Oh, yum. Yeah, lip oil, not sticky at all. That's nice. I'm excited to have this. Oh, it says it's candy apple scent. Bitch. I can see that. A little appley, but definitely it smells like a fruit by the foot. All right, next up we've got a Bite Beauty. It's the Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon. I think everyone got the same shade. Yeah, Pavlova. And it said this is a new product from Bite Beauty. Is it really new? Or is it just reformulated? I know it's definitely gonna be reformulated. Definitely not a me color, but I'll wear it. I'll give it a try. It felt super creamy on my hand, so, oh my god, speaking of my hand. So I have high hopes. I do like Bite Beauty's products. This isn't necessarily a me shade, that's all. This thing. So this is from Elsie Cosmetics. It's called the Velvet Sponge. And if I'm not mistaken, this is like a bougie, pretty expensive sponge. This looks like a butt plug. Straight up butt plug. And I'm not like into butt stuff, but I'm also not stupid and I know what it looks like. This is an ass plug, for sure. What? Okay, hold on. An innovative makeup sponge that helps blend makeup effortlessly into the skin. Its unique pointed tip allows you to reach even the small, hard-to-get areas, while the dome end can be used in larger areas, including the face and body. The texture was perfected to create the ultimate airbrush finish, leaving the skin looking very velvety beautiful. It's pretty stiff, and I know this is an expensive sponge. I think it's like 18 bucks. I'll double check. But I don't know, it's just pretty stiff. And I know it'll, you know, soften up when it gets wet, but like my favorite sponges that I use, they start way softer when hard like this, when not wet. So I don't know how I feel about the butt plug, but it's there. Okay. And then from Ole Henriksen, we get a Sea Rush Brightening Double Cream. So I'm not sure if this is a new product or not. I have the Sea Rush, I thought it was called Sea Rush Brightening Gel. I don't know, either way, I'm excited to use it. Ole Henriksen is one of my favorite skincare brands, period. So I'm always happy to have another moisturizer from them. And I know these retail for like at least 30 bucks, so that's cool. Then this is for sure a new product. It is the Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. Cleanses and removes makeup with orange fruit, water, and PHA. Can I smell it? Oh, it's got a seal. I wanted to see if it smelled like their Truth Serum, like if it was super orangey or not. Oh, yep. Smells just like their Truth Serum. It smells just like their Truth Serum, like that freaking orange sun-kissed kind of smell. I am excited, again, to use this. I love Ulla Henriksen, so very excited, especially because it's a new product. I think it's very cool that she has at least 2 brand new products that are like new to the market in this box. Very neat. However, if you guys want to know the real reason I bought this box, so I got the email saying the box was live because I had signed up forever ago, and apparently she did like a video on it. I didn't watch it. I didn't watch what was in the box. So when she had sent the email showing what was in the box, I wasn't really reading. I was just seeing what was in it. It showed a picture of the Ulla Henriksen Banana Bright eye cream, which is my ride or die favorite eye cream, like hands down. Love it so much. And I was like, well, that retails alone for like 38, 39 bucks. I'm going on a no-buy next year. I really don't want to have to buy that, and I'm almost out. So I should just get this box for like the same price I would buy that eye cream at. Perfect. And then like I ordered it like an idiot, again, without like reading or watching her unboxing video that she did. And yeah, it's not in this box. I don't know if she addressed why she showed a picture of that, but that's literally the reason why I bought the box, was to get the eye cream, and it's not in here. So I'm like, you got me, gal. I got me, gal. Yeah, Trendmood got me. I mean, I do still think there's like $39 worth of value in here or something. I don't need more moisturizer right now, but like this definitely was worth it. I'm excited to use this, and I'll give the palette a try. The lip crayon, I'm not really a big fan of the color, and then this butt plug sponge, I'm not excited about either. So, definitely got my money's worth out of these 3 products, though. Oh, and then there's a fortune cookie. Super random, but, whew. Oh shit. How do you like that ASMR? Very crunchy fortune cookie. This is not a fortune. It just says, Happy Holidays, XOXO, Trendmood. There you have it, folks. Trendmood's first box, 39 bucks. Not bad. Not mad I have it. Mad that there's no fucking eye cream in it, but that's half on me. Half on her for putting a picture of it, though, in the email. I don't understand that, but that's all right. Anyway, did you get the first Trendmood box? I'd love to know in the comments below. I know it's not going to be a subscription box. She doesn't know how often she's going to do them. They're all going to vary in price. So I am kind of curious to see, as time goes on, what she comes out with. Because, I mean, brands do love Trendmood. Her page is like the place to go for all the new makeup intel. So I can see her getting like a lot of exclusive releases, which is pretty cool, actually. So you go, girl. You make your money. More of it, at least. All right, I gotta stop eating this fucking cookie. Anyway, that's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you later. Bye!